Welcome to Pass First Try. Set 8 covers highway and freeway driving, merging, passing, exits, and high-speed rules. These are essential skills and test topics for every new driver. Let's go. Question 1 of 5. When merging onto a freeway from an on-ramp, you should, is it, stop at the end of the ramp and wait for a gap? B. Enter slowly and let freeway traffic move over. C. Use the acceleration lane to match freeway speed, signal, and merge. Or D. Honk to signal your entry. The correct answer is C. Accelerate to match freeway speed, signal, then merge. Use the on-ramp to build speed so you match the flow of freeway traffic. Signal your intent, check mirrors and blind spots, then merge smoothly. Question 2 of 5. On a multi-lane highway, which lane should you use for passing other vehicles? Is it the right lane? B. Any lane you choose. C. The left lane or the lane to the left of the vehicle you are passing. Or D. The center lane only. The correct answer is C. The left lane or the lane to the left of the vehicle you are passing. In the US, pass on the left. The left lane on multi-lane highways is the passing lane. After passing, return to the right lane. Question 3 of 5. What should you do if you miss your freeway exit? Is it back up on the shoulder to reach the exit? B. Make a U-turn at the next crossover. C. Continue to the next exit and turn around. Or D. Stop and wait for a break in traffic. The correct answer is C. Continue to the next exit and turn around. Never back up on a freeway. Never make unauthorized U-turns through highway medians. Proceed safely to the next exit, turn around, and return. Question 4 of 5. When leaving the freeway on an exit ramp, you should, is it, begin slowing down before you reach the exit ramp? B. Slow down inside the exit ramp. C. Maintain highway speed until you see a stop sign. Or D. Use your horn to alert other drivers. The correct answer is B. Slow down after fully entering the exit ramp. Do not brake hard on the freeway itself. Once you have fully entered the off-ramp, reduce your speed to match the posted ramp speed limit. Question 5 of 5. At high freeway speeds, what minimum following distance should you maintain? Is it A. 2 seconds. B. 3 seconds. C. 4 to 6 seconds. Or D. 1 car length per 10 miles per hour. The correct answer is C. 4 to 6 seconds. While 3 seconds is the standard minimum, at highway speeds of 65 miles per hour or more, experts recommend increasing to 4 to 6 seconds to account for longer stopping distances. Great work on Set 8. Freeway driving rules, merging, passing, and exits, are tested in every state. Master these and you'll be a confident, safe highway driver. Subscribe and watch Set 9, Defensive Driving, covering hazards, bad weather, and night driving. Pass First Try.